So this is close, everything else is close. I need to patch this, and this thing is also done. So now I can get back to the model tab and start patching these guys. I want to patch all this loop, 10 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 edges. Really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So these two. Okay, let's do it. Let's make a poly here. Now I can make a cut from here to here, another one from here to here, another one to here, another one to here. So this is pretty much what I need, but I need to get rid of these two triangles. Let's see what can we do. Yeah, but later on when we patch this guy. Let's make a bridge. Another poly here, and let's put a cut from here to here, and another one from here to here, so I can make some other cuts and solve this patch, so I can actually, yeah, I can actually patch the other guy by making some other cuts. So this triangle becomes a quad. Then if I make a loop slice here, count of 1, that's it. This is a quad now, and we have this part solved. That's it. Pretty good. Okay, let's go patching this area. 1, 2, 3 vertices. Hit P for poly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit P for another poly. And now we don't want this to be a triangle, so we can select this and make a loop slice in uniform with a count of 1. So here is our triangle converted to a quad. So what I'll do now, let's go to edge, at loop. I will make a loop here and another one here. So now I can go select this two, make a bridge, make a poly here, and make some cuts. So that's all. I have here 2 edges and here 2 edges. That's a simple bridge with the auto connection enabled. That's it. Okay, what else? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need an extra edge here. What I'll do is select this and make a bevel in round mode with round level. I don't want that, I want a bevel, okay, with a round level of 0, and that's it. This is what I want. So now I can bridge this to this with no auto connection, but with the count of the segments up 2, so I get a cut right here. So now I can select these two, right click, bridge, auto connection enable, and boom, there's our patch. Okay, what else? 3 edges here, 3 edges here, 2 here. Let's see, how can I get this? Okay, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's pretty easy actually. Let's make a loop slice here in uniform, another loop slice here in uniform. So I will select this one and this one, bridge, no auto connection, and a count of segments of 2. So now I can select this one and this 2 and make a bridge, this time with auto connection, and there we have it. Okay, now what I want is to select this and make sure this is placed in the point 0 in y-axis. So vertex set position at 0 on the y, and you're done. Okay, now duplicate, mirror in y, and there's our shape. A single mesh, pretty much what I expected. Very nice. Okay. So now to make it a real caliper, I'm gonna need to make some adjustments. For example, I will pick these polys. Let's say, actually I'm gonna delete here, because I want to select this, bevel it in just a little, scale it down, and go to deform and radial align. So we have now to place this about here, and also let's make a loop slice in uniform for a better workflow. Now duplicate, mirror in Y and apply. And I'll do the same with this guy. Bevel it in, scale it down, radial align, and we can now put this here and maybe add a loop slice here. That's nice. We can now select all this and just make a bevel. So there we have our holes for the screws. Now what I need is to move it about here and make a duplicate, mirror in X, no, in Z. That's it. It's in Z. And what I want is to connect these two. Let's select all this loop, right click, bridge, no auto connection, and let's bridge it with a count of 1. Okay, and we need now to select this row of polygons and remove it, because this is where we will be inserting the caliper into the brake disc. So we must have some space to let the brake disc enter this space. Let me refine this a little bit. Something about, let's say something about so. That can work. That's it. I think I will make a loop slice here. In free mode, about so 75%. Let's make a 75% and get rid of this poly. And same for this. So this must be at 25%. Okay. And get rid of this one. This will be pretty much the shape we are looking for. So we can move on and refine this a little and add some detail. So finally we have the shape in a single mesh. We're gonna make some adjustments to this mesh, and for this I'm going back to this part only. Let's remove this and this, and let's start adding some detail to the shape, because I want to smooth all this, but as you saw earlier in previous lessons, with some edges hardened. So what I'll do is go selecting all the edges involved, and we're going to add some geometry as usual to harden all that. I will not be using the edge wake method, because I don't really want completely hard edges. What I want is something smoother. Okay, I don't want this. Let's check this part too. Perhaps we will need to later fine-tune some geometry, maybe, just maybe. But first, let's see what we can get from these edges. Oh. Okay, this will be it. So let's give it here too, and here too. I think it's all. Okay, let's give it a bevel in square mode, about this way. Okay, let's see what we have. I want to add these edges too. Okay, this will be the smoothing. Let's see, it's in reflection mode, no wireframes. There's some errors here. Okay, let's see what is happening here. Oh, okay, this is what's happening. This is a very easy fix. Yeah. Okay, let's fix this. By making some cuts, getting rid of those triangles. That's it. Much better. That's much better, yeah. There's something weird here. Let's fix this too. Okay, this area. Let's make a cut here to here, and another one. So I don't need this, nor this, and the other two, this and this. That's it. Okay, here as well. So we can get rid of any triangle. Okay, much better. This can be fixed too. That's it. There are many things here and there. Let's see if I can make this. Yeah, that would be a solution. That's better, yes. Actually, what if I remove these? Yeah, I like it much more.